In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the file manager on WP Engine. This complete tutorial is designed to guide you through each step, ensuring that you feel confident and capable of managing your files on WP Engine. First things first, begin by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your portal to all things related to your WordPress hosting, and it's where you'll manage every aspect of your site. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. It's always a good idea to know your way around. Next, select the site environment you wish to access. WP Engine allows you to manage multiple environments such as development, staging, or production, depending on your needs. Make sure you choose the correct environment to avoid making changes in the wrong area. Now navigate to the Users section and select Add Manage SFTP Users. SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol, and it's the method we'll be using to access the file manager. In this section, you'll either create a new user or use an existing one. If you're setting this up for the first time, creating a new user might be necessary. A key tip here is to take note of your SFTP username, password, and server address, as you'll need these details later. Moving on to the technical side of things, you'll need to open an SFTP client. There are several options available, such as FileZilla, Cyberduck, or WinSCP. Choose the one you're most comfortable with or willing to try out. These clients help facilitate the secure connection between your computer and your WP Engine server. After that, enter your SFTP credentials into the client. You'll need to input the host, which is your provided server address. Then add your SFTP username followed by the SFTP password you noted earlier. Finally, for the port, enter 2222, as this is WP Engine's default setting for SFTP connections. With all these details in place, it's time to connect. Once you're connected, navigate to the directory you wish to access, typically the .wp content folder. This area contains your themes, plugins, and uploads, essentially the core parts of your website that you might need to edit. Finally, once you're in, you can upload, download, or edit files directly from here. This gives you the flexibility and ease to manage your site's files effectively, ensuring that everything is functioning properly. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to access the file manager on WP Engine. By following these steps, you should be able to manage your files confidently and efficiently. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply organizing your site's content, understanding how to maneuver through WP Engine's file manager is an essential skill for any site owner.